judging panel was all women because, in a way, they are just reinforcing, empowering women and allowing them to make the decisions of who the next Miss Universe should be.
But when you learned na may dalawang Filipinas, ano ba yun? Feeling mo ba, edge mo yun? Advantage? Or somehow, kinabahan ka? Kasi di ba pag kapwa mo Pilipino yung nagja-judge?
I felt like I had to prove myself kasi parang people would say, oh, she won because there's two Filipina judges. So even more, I had to prove that I deserved it. Diba?
And it was very evident na ikaw talagang Miss Universe. Wala naman nag-question nun. Kitang-kita naman talaga ang pagkakapanalo mo. The beauty of the Philippines just came shining through. Ay, taray, kanta ng pal yun eh.
Shining
Okay, nitong mga nakaraang taon sa Miss Universe, patindi ng patindi ang mga tanong kasi hindi lang isa ang round ng question and answer, di ba? Dalawa.
Top 5, top 3.
Ang dami, hindi lang isang tanong, di ba? Ang hirap-hirap, ilang beses mong patutunayan na talagang matatas yung utak mo at magaling kang magsalita, di ba? Yung mga past winners natin, syempre, we had, of course, Pia Words Back. We had Miss Gloria Romero, charot, hindi siya sumali, may shooting siya. Si Miss Gloria Diaz, di ba? At syempre si Miss Margie Moran, di ba? Pinanood mo ba kung paano sila sumagot dati? Okay, kunyari itatanong ko sa'yo yung tinanong sa isa sa kanilang tatlo na nanalo ng Miss Universe bago ikaw. Tanongin natin yung tanong niya yung kay Miss Margie Moran. Kasi di ba yung tanong sa kanya parang, dito yun. Pakihanap na ka. Pinahanap. Andito yun, sinulat ko yun eh.
Hindi na makita.
Ito na. Okay. Ay, nandun pala. Farsighted ako. Pakilapit yung TV. Then, ito yung tanong na tinanong kay Miss Margie Moran nung siya ay nanalo sa Miss Universe. Sabi ng host, let's make believe that all of a sudden, you have $1 million. What's the first thing you would buy and why would you buy it?
$1 million? I would go to Young Focus who are sitting up somewhere there and I would tell them where do they want their new center to be because it's really what they need. They have so many passionate teachers who want to teach. They have so many children that want to have the access to education and they just need the space.
Ang galing. Ano ulit? You would share the money with other people. I-share mo at gagawa ka ng bagong center.
Because I don't need $1 million. I'm happy where I am. And you know, if you can make a change to someone else's life, it's more fulfilling than going to bed being like, okay, yes, I have a lot of money. But I've just changed my own life. But if you're able to share it to other people, mas fulfilling yan.
I know, right? Nakakahanga. Kasi syempre, yung ibang tao, di ba, yung kunyari ako sasabihin ko yun. Pag tinanong ako, may $1 million ako. Sabi ko agad, I will tour the world with my boyfriend. But that's gonna be very selfish of me to say so. But your answer, it was so generous. And it's authentic. It's so genuine. I can see it in your eyes. You have the heart for other people. And that's why you won this universe. Yung matawa, hindi mo alam kung paniniwalaan mo ako. Yung iniisip ko, joke ba itong bakla to? Totoo yung sinasabi. Okay. Ang galing-galing mo talagang sumagot. Pero, nabalitaan mo ba yung Miss Q&A sa Showtime?
Yes, just the finals we have.
Ay, nag-judge ka pala nung first,
Yes.
Miss Q&A.
Yes.
Tapos kahapon yung second naman. Kunyari, ganun yung mga klaseng tanong na itatanong sa'yo. Paano mo kaya sasagutin kung ganun klase yung mga tanong? Kasi siyempre, prepared ka sa mga matino ang tanong, prepared ka din sa mga...
Para sa mga witty.
Oo, yung mga walang kakwenta-kwenta na tanong. Diba? Kunyari ang itatanong sa'yo. Kung papipiliin ka, ano ang pipiliin mo? Ang sampalin ka ng katotohanan o sampalin ka ni Wolverine?
Si Wolverine!
Si Wolverine.
Kasi I would just use something to hit him with. I wouldn't go near him kasi may metal siya. So,
Ay,
kaya andyan si Wolverine!
kuya, ay, nakikuta ko kinam! Ako! Nagulat ako sa kala ko may umatake na sa akin. Kala ko yung tatay mo nasa likod ko na binatukan ako. Nagkakaw sa akin yung anak ko. Isa ko eh. Naloka talaga. Oh my God. Hindi akong masuka.
And this is how I felt in Top 2 of Miss Universe.
Naloka ko. So ano ulit yung sasagutin mo? Sino pipiliin? Si Wolverine ang pipiliin mo kasi?
Kasi I would just do it from a distance with something so I don't have to go near him kasi may may claws siya. Diba?
Makakaiwas ka at lalabanan mo si Wolverine. Sabay, suot mo naman yung laban. Tingnan ko lang kung di matakot si Wolverine.
Bigat to ah.
Yung lava walk, ikaw nag-decide no na ikaw ang magsasabi, ikaw ang...
No, it was my mentor, si Kuya Kaloy, Carlos Buendia. He named the walk the Lava Walk. Siya yung actually responsible for my walk and personality training din.
Oh.
But he took the inspiration kasi my mom, my beautiful mom, her family is from Oas, Albay.
Ah, kung saan matatagpuan, kung saan naman malapit ang Mayon Volcano.
Yes.
Di ba? Nasaan nga ba
And
Mayon
of
Volcano?
course, she had the dream when I was younger.
Tanong natin kay Mocha, nasaan ako?
And my mom also had the dream when I was younger that I would be in Miss Universe in a red dress. So that's why I chose the color red. And then Mac Tumang, the designer, he came up with the concept of an ode to Mount Mayon.
Napanaginipan na pala ng mami mo yan. Tamo, totoo yung mga napapanaginipan ng nanay. Alam mo kung may napanaginipan ng nanay. Kasi nung isang araw, umiiyak yung nanay ko. Sabi ko, ano napanaginipan? Napanaginipan ko kasi namatay ka. Sabi sa akin ng nanay. Namatay daw ako. Ako kayo na magkatotoo, nakakalungan. Kaya nakausapin ko yung nanay ko, itigil niya muna yung pananaginip mo. Okay. Bukod sa pagkakapanalo mo, isa rin sa mga pinag-usapan ng Miss Universe ay yung kauna-unahang pagkakataon na nagsali sila ng transgender from Miss Spain. Diba? At nung natanong ka rin tungkol doon, maganda yung explanation mo at maganda yung opinion mo. Diba? Yung opinion mo ay ikinagalak ng LGBT community.
Because I really believe that beauty queens were there for more than just a facade. We stand for something. I stand for education and also HIV and AIDS awareness. And Miss Spain, she stood for the transgender community. And her participation opened up the conversation. So many people were talking about it. And I think that's what we need to do to lead the way to inclusivity and understanding. Because there's so much that we need to do in order to serve the transgender community better as a society.
Yes. At saka, sa Miss Universe, allowed na. Kasi kasi syempre yung organization may sarili silang mga panuntunan at mga pamantayan na sinusunod. Sa Miss Universe, allowed sa Miss Universe organization, di ba? Pero kunyari, kung si Ma'am Stella, tatanungin ka, kasi syempre sa binibining Pilipinas, hindi pa yan natatry. Paano pag tinanong si Ma'am Stella, sa palagay mo ba, okay na tayong i-open ito sa mga transgender women ang binibining Pilipinas? What would you tell her?
Of course, for Bini, it is the sole discretion of Madame. But from my point of view, I see nothing wrong with it because, again, that's what we stand for. We're moving towards a more inclusive and more respectful competition in the world of pageantry. So why not open it up in that way? Mas masaya din, ang feeling ko.
Paano pag sinabi ni Miss Stella na ako yung unang transgender na sasabi?
Tama! 24 ka pa, di ba?
Ano no?
24 ka pa.
Ano itong next question natin?
Asa ka sa age?
Ito talaga pahamak yung mga tanong mo sa akin. The rainbow flag is now raised as Miss Universe 2018. What is your message now to the members of the LGBT community? Kasi lahat sila mahal na mahal ka.
And I love them. I love you guys so much. Thank you for always staying strong and showing the Philippines as a shining beacon. begun across the world, how we can love the LGBTQ community, how they are beginning to accept and not just tolerate the community. And we are opening up our arms to everyone, and I hope that other countries will see that and want to replicate it too. I love you guys!
We love you very much. Okay, pag-usapan naman natin, ikaw talaga, yung pagkatao ni Catriona Gray. Kasi sinasabi nila, ikaw you're the most perfect Miss Universe. Oo. Gaano ba ka-perfect si Catriona? Perfect ka ba talaga? Wala ka bang kapintasan? Napapanis pa ang laway mo pag natutulog ka ng emas? Ano ba? Nagkakamuta ka ba? Ano bang pagkakaparehas natin bilang mga pangkaraniwang tao kami?
Hindi ako perfect, guys. Like everyone, I have like insecurities, I have flaws.
May ingrown ka ba? Sumisiksik din yung mga pagkain sa ngipin mo minsan. Tapos kinukuha mo ng daliri, tapos pinipitik mo pag walang kakaya.
But I feel like it's being in pageants, people have the perception na beauty queens sobrang perfect, parang walking Barbie dolls lang kami. But really, well, I know I've been through my own trials and challenges, just like Pia has, just like every other woman who just stepped out on the stage, just like everyone else goes through. We just happen to be able to wear beautiful dresses on stage and be dolled up in hair and makeup, but you know, we're not perfect, and that's okay, because perfect doesn't exist. Guys, we're not perfect in this world.
Perfect doesn't exist. Oh my God. I don't exist.
Ikaw yung exception to the rule.
Okay. So masasabi namin si Catriona at kami, parang iisa lang din tayo. No? Ikaw yung bituin na hindi malayong-malayo sa amin. Dahil di ba, ikaw yung pagiging Pilipino, ganun din kami. Marami tayong sinishare na pagkakaparehas kahit ginagawa ba ng Miss Universe yun? Ang Miss Universe ba nauutot din ang hindi sinasadya? Nang may kaharap na tagalang-galang na tao.
Ano ba? I'm not a unicorn din Parang normal person lang ako.
So nangyayari din sa iyo yun? Tapos pag tinanong ko
In
ikaw,
public, not yet.
talaga? So ano, nakakausap yung puwet mo? Dito na?
Not right now.
Ang galing. Yung sa akin kasi, rebelde. Pag sinabing no, gagawin. Ganun siya, matigas ang ulo. Kaya minsan nga, biglang, hindi ako yun. Magaling ako magturo. Diba? Okay. Katulad na sinabi ko kanina, marami talagang tumatawag sa'yo na best Miss Universe ever. Pero sinabi mo nga, wala namang perfect. Sa palagay mo, bakit kanila sinasabi ng best Miss Universe ever?
I just feel like I try to make it more than me. I always wanted to bring the Philippines with me in the journey, whether it be in my clothing, using our fabrics, whether it be in the national costume, sharing our culture of dance, and also researching the different island groups, or even representing our kids in my final word and the work that I do in Tondo, Manila. I've always wanted to make it more than me. I've always wanted to include the Philippines, and that's why I feel like the Filipino people are really happy with me.
At alam mo, masaya kami, lalong-lalo na yung mga taga-Tondo. Kasi ang pinasikat mo yung lugar na Tondo at idinugtong mo sa Tondo yung silver lining. Diba? Parang ngayon At saka diba, ang dami na tuloy nagkakaroon ng ideya na may magaganda at inspiring ang Tondo. Kasi di ba dati pag sinabi ko, nakakatakot, pangit na lugar, ganun ang connotation ng pagtundo eh. Pero dahil sa'yo, ang Tondo ay naging lugar ng inspirasyon.
Also, because when you talk to yung mga bata, yung families, yung parents, yung staff and teachers, and you hear their stories, they're beautiful in a way, and it inspires you. And that's the beauty I meant, not the visual beauty. Because it is...
Congratulations! And I would like to congratulate myself dahil ang laking pagkakataon, ang laking oportunidad sa akin na makausap ka ngayon sa harapan ng napakaraming magagandang tao dito.
Thank you, Ate Bai.
Maraming salamat. I love you.
I love you!
I love you very much. Isang karangalan po talaga sa akin, or better yet, isang corona para sa akin ang makausap si Catriona Gray. Pinasayan mo kami, pinatili, pinapadyak, pinatadyak, pinatumbling, lahat ginawa namin sa sobrang kasiyahan. Maraming salamat sa iyo. At kasama mo, and we have all the reason to love you dahil you also give this love back sa bawat Pilipinong naniniwala sa iyo at binibigyan mo ng pag-asa.